Let's go through the top 3 brokers for investors and traders here in Canada. So of course, this is just my opinion, and for this video, I'll be solely focusing on the equity trading side of things. So we'll just be looking at stocks and options with disregard to any crypto or cash management features these platforms have. And a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Any investing you do carries risk and you may lose money. Make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. All right, let's jump into the list. Now, the first platform on the list is Questrade. Now, I'm super excited about this because Questrade just announced that they now have free $0 commission stocks trading with only $1 contract fee on their options. This is amazing because last broker video I made, Questrade was charging anywhere from $5 to $10 for just trading a stock, which is insane in 2025. So I'm glad Questrade has finally caught up to the market, and I really hope this is indicative of just a general trend. As the market gets more competitive with new brokers coming into Canada, costs will continue to lower and lower for us consumers. Now, Questrade does have some other fees in their currency exchange. They charge 1.5% for converting your money, but they do have dual currency accounts, so you can hold Canadian and US dollars. If you convert your Canadian and pay that fee and then sell your USD listed stock, you can hold those US dollars without being forced to convert it back again. As for trading platforms, Questrade has TradingView integration. So if you're familiar with TradingView charts and you want to trade directly on your chart there, you can just link your Questrade account. I've used this with some other brokers and it's a very cool and easy to use feature. Questrade also has 2 mobile apps. Quest Mobile, which is their more simple to use app for beginner investors, just with basic order types, maybe for some passive ETF investing. And they also have the Questrade Edge app, which is more advanced, has advanced charts, options trading for the more advanced and active traders who need those features. As for on the desktop, they have Edge Web, which again has the more advanced charts and order types as you can see on screen here. And they have the Questrade Edge desktop. Now this platform is a bit clunky and old feeling, but it does have a ton of different features. It's fully customizable. You can get your level 2, all that good stuff as you can see on screen here. So if you're doing any active trading and need these advanced tools, that could be a great platform to use. So who is Questrade for? One type of customer I think Questrade is for the beginner passive investor. Questrade has a wide range of registered accounts. So if you're just doing some passive index investing and just want a simple but free to use platform, Questrade would be great for that. But now with $0 trading commissions, if you are a more active trader or maybe just want to do some fun speculation on the side, Questrade could be a great platform. You save money on fees and you have access to advanced platforms and order types for most of your active trading needs. Now for deposit bonus, Questrade is offering a $50 cash bonus once you set up and fund your account. My code and link will be down in the description, so make sure you use that. That also does help support the channel, so I'd really appreciate it if you were going to sign up for a Questrade account now, if you use my link down below. Next on the list is Wealthsimple. Now Wealthsimple has $0 stock trading fees and their option fees start at $2 per contract. But with Wealthsimple, you want to be a bit careful because when it comes to their currency exchange, if you're doing any active US dollar trading, that's when it could really get you. They charge 1.5% for account conversion, but by default, you can only hold Canadian dollars in your account. So to have a USD account and hold US dollars on Wealthsimple, Wealthsimple charges $10 per month. Now, without that, if you were to buy a USD listed stock with your Canadian dollars in your account, you would need to pay an extra 1.5% to convert your money to buy the stock. Then when you were to sell your stock, Wealthsimple forces you to convert from your USD holding back to Canadian dollars. So that's another 1.5%. just for making a simple trade. So that's 3% you're already losing, which is quite high. So unless you have the USD account, I'd really avoid any international trading on Wealthsimple. For their platforms, they have Wealthsimple Mobile, which is kind of their main platform app. That's where you can do the most on, do your orders, trade options, and all of that. They do also have web access for just your basic account services and basic orders there. So with that being said, who is Wealthsimple best suited for? I'd say Wealthsimple is best suited for the Canadian passive or just casual investor who wants to invest their Canadian dollars in Canadian listed securities. If you're doing any sort of active trading, Wealthsimple is really limited when it comes to just their platform access, order types, charts, and all that. There are just some better options out there. So for deposit bonus, Wealthsimple is offering $25 when you sign up and fund your new account. Just great to kind of help you get started on your investing or trading there. and I will have a link down in the description that helps support the channel if you do use it to sign up. Last but certainly not least on the list is interactive brokers. So for interactive brokers, their trading fees are a bit more complicated. As you can see here, their tiered fees start at about 1/3 cents per share, with a minimum fee of 35 cents and a max fee of 1% of your trade value. Now, their fixed fees start at 0.5 cent per share, with minimum fees per order being $1, but max being 1% of your trade value. I'll throw up some fixed and tiered examples on the screen here so that you can kind of see that and compare that for yourself. Now, obviously, the fixed fees is going to be more expensive when compared to the free fees of some other platforms. But if you are an active trader looking for advanced access and trading a lot of monthly shares, those tiered fees will significantly decrease your costs. Even though you are still paying some fees, you may see that with the advanced access and order routing, that it may be worth it to stick with IBKR if you trade large volume. And their option contracts start at $1 per trade. Now, for currency exchange, this is where IBKR shines. They are an international company, so as you can see up on screen here, you can hold so many different currencies in your account. I'm not even going to start reading that. You can read it for yourself. And for any currency exchange you want to do on IBKR, they only charge 0.2%. So if you're exchanging large amounts of money, that is going to save you quite a bit compared to the other options on this list. For trading platforms, as with the theme, IBKR has a lot of options. They have a TradingView integration, which is great. They also have a wide suite of mobile apps, from simple to use apps for the passive casual investor, or more advanced apps with news, screeners, advanced order types, and all that for your active trading needs and portfolio management. For desktop, they have their new-ish app called IBKR Desktop. This is their more modern take on an app. It's got screeners, all the order types, customizable layouts, and they have TradingView charts integrated in, which I think is pretty sweet. And I like that feature because I'm just familiar with those charts. They also have Trader Workstation, which is their most advanced app with the most customization and different trading features. As you can see on screen, it looks a bit clunky, especially when coming from IBKR Desktop, but it really just has the most advanced tools. So if you are a professional trader trading large amounts of money, that's a stable app and a great option to use. And they do also have some IBKR APIs. So if you want to use some more advanced software for trading, you can do that. Make your own custom software, connect to that too. Honestly, that's a bit outside my knowledge level, so I'm just gonna leave it at that and let you do your own research on those APIs there. So who is IBKR for? Now, they could be great for the passive casual investor. They do have registered accounts and easy, simple to use platforms. If you want to have your investments there, maybe do some international investments as well. But I would definitely say they are more geared towards the active professional international traders trading large volume with all of their advanced tools and features there. All right, so let me know down in the comments what broker you are using and why. And if you are signing up for any new brokers that I mentioned in this video, don't forget to check out my links in the description to help get yourself some bonus cash to get started with your investments. And that does help support the channel as well. So I really appreciate it.